Ever wondered how easy it could be to create your own ebook? In the world of content creation, time is of the essence. We've all felt the pressure of trying to put together an engaging, well-designed ebook. The process can feel overwhelming, especially when you're trying to balance creating quality content with design and formatting. It's a common challenge for content creators, the need for an easy-to-use platform that can streamline the entire ebook creation process from start to finish. Well, we have a solution that might just make your life a lot easier. Enter the WebBook AI Studio, a platform designed to simplify ebook creation. This is not just a tool but a revolution in the world of digital publishing. It's all happening in the cloud, which means you can access it from anywhere, anytime. The power of artificial intelligence is harnessed to create engaging content, turning your ideas into beautifully crafted ebooks. WebBook AI Studio is all about making things easy for you. Its user-friendly interface will feel like home from the moment you start. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a novice, you'll find everything you need right at your fingertips. Choose from a wide variety of templates and covers to suit your style and content. But the real magic comes from its ability to generate content and articles, convert text to graphics, and even create eCovers. It's like having your personal design studio right in your pocket. And remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg, and there's more to this platform than meets the eye. WebBook AI Studio is packed with features that are sure to impress any content creator. Let's dive into some of its standout tools. First up, the eCover Creator. This function enables you to design eye-catching covers for your ebooks, giving them that professional edge right off the bat. With a variety of templates available, creating a unique cover has never been easier. Next, let's explore the content and article generation feature. Thanks to the power of AI, you can generate engaging and relevant content for your ebooks in just a few clicks. No more spending hours brainstorming or writing, the AI will do the heavy lifting for you. Another impressive feature is the text-to-graphic conversion. Transform your words into beautiful graphics, making your ebooks not only informative but visually appealing as well. And there's more. With WebBook AI Studio, you get access to millions of pre-made ebooks with PLR licenses. This means you can resell these ebooks and keep all the profits. No additional fees, no strings attached, but the features don't stop there. WebBook AI Studio is not just about features, it's about benefits. This platform is your ultimate solution for creating engaging ebooks, saving you time and effort. Its user-friendly interface and variety of templates make the process a breeze, even for beginners. Plus, the AI technology does a lot of the heavy lifting, including content generation and text-to-graphic conversion. But that's not all. With access to millions of pre-made ebooks with PLR licenses, you can jumpstart your ebook creation and even sell your creations without additional fees. That's right, you can monetize your creativity directly through the platform. And if you're worried about navigating through all these features, don't be. The platform provides step-by-step training ensuring you can make the most out of it. Lastly, the cherry on top is the 30-day money-back guarantee. This makes trying out WebBook AI Studio completely risk-free. You can explore and experiment with the platform, and if it's not for you, you're fully covered. With WebBook AI Studio, ebook creation has never been easier or more risk-free. Ready to take your ebook creation to the next level? Well, the time is now. With WebBook AI Studio, you get a user-friendly interface, a plethora of templates, and an eCover creator. Not to mention access to millions of pre-made ebooks. It's time to elevate your content creation game. The best part? If you're not satisfied, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below and start your ebook creation journey with WebBook AI Studio today.